Yesterday we have discussed what is the situation for crude and what are the levels you should be watching it very carefully. I said close below 21 will take crude further down. As I expected, it broke 21, and I also given levels on upside too, just in case if volatility has kicked in. I just gave buy above 22 60 somewhat the level if it brokens and closes. As you can see, the levels which I had given for you worked amazingly well. See the low this region, if I close below this region around 21 below, a fall is on the cards. So you can see the fall. Yeah, that was a huge one. Okay. So now this region will be trying to act as a resistant region for time being, because it took support in this region. From here the rejection came, and see when price again tried to come near that, it was trying to take rejections and take support there. Okay, what will happen? Let's see. I'll just draw the levels over there for a confirmation. That's in the near future. Okay, somewhat in this region. That's a temporary one. This zone might act as an resistance if it comes in the future. That's it. Now how crude is going to behave? Okay, when price comes near $10 or $9, it will again try to take support there, because yesterday it had taken support somewhere around here. So the probability of taking support in this region is quite high. So we'll just mark this level if possible, and we will see how price will behave when it comes to this level. I'm sure that these levels will be broken easily because of the volatility and many other things. Crude is very weak in these scripts, in these conditions. I'm just drawing the levels. Okay. Now what are the levels you should be watching for? If you want to go for a buy, sudden buy, and try to place your order above 11:15. If it closes above 11:15, then this resistance will be touched, I think. And if you want to sell, I'm sure you should be selling with the strict stop loss. The recent high stop loss is around 11:50. You can try that, just somewhere around 90 or 80 cents away, where you have to book. You have to keep trailing. Don't expect a market to fall suddenly. On a time passes by, it falls slowly, then suddenly one big green candle will come. So it's better you book or you trail your stop losses. Okay, this is the levels what you should be watching out for. Don't blindly take entry when price comes in this region, and place stop loss below that. This won't act in a volatility range. Just wait for this region to give some kind of rejection. If rejection, okay, see this region, rejection came strongly at 1830. By placing or keeping SL below this 1830 candle, you can take entry, and after that you have to trail and book your profits. That's what I'm suggesting. Wait for rejections, and if rejection is formed, the below the low of this candle will be the stop loss, so it helps you trade accordingly. In Indian market MCX, it gets caught on a circuit, so I can't help anything with that. It's stuck really bad. It's hitting lower circuit again and again, can't able to trade in that. As of now, if it gets released, I'll let you know. Thank you.